In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Midjourney AI for interior design, full guide. We'll keep this simple and practical. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Using Google is an easy way to reach the official site without mistyping a URL. In the search bar, type Midjourney and press enter. Scan the results and click the official Midjourney website, which should clearly show the midjourney.com domain. That takes you to the home and explore pages where you can see examples and get a feel for the visual style the tool can produce. If you're ever prompted to sign in or continue, just follow the on-screen guidance so you're ready to create. Once you're on the site, it's time to craft a clear prompt tailored to interior design. A prompt is simply your creative brief in one sentence. Think about the space type, mood, materials, lighting, camera framing, and quality. Here's a strong example you can use and adapt. Ultra-luxury modern interior design. Breathtaking open-concept living room with floor-to-ceiling windows, soft natural sunlight, elegant marble flooring, warm wood accents, designer furniture, plush textures, sculptural lighting, large contemporary art on the wall, perfectly balanced color palette, aesthetic styling, high-end architecture, photorealistic rendering, 8K detail, cinematic composition, peaceful atmosphere, award-winning interior design magazine quality. R16.9 v6.0 Style Raw, Stylize 150. Let's break that down briefly so you can customize it. The first half describes the vibe and elements. Luxury, open concept living room, specific materials like marble and warm woods, and lighting cues like soft sunlight. These descriptors guide the scene's layout and mood. The second half focuses on quality and composition, photorealistic, 8K detail, cinematic composition. The modifiers at the end help you fine-tune results. R16.9 sets a widescreen aspect ratio ideal for presentations and mood boards. V6.0 targets the current model version for improved realism. Style Raw aims for less stylized outputs, which can be useful for design clarity. Stylize 150 nudges creativity. Lower values keep it restrained, while higher values get more artistic. Paste or type your prompt into the prompt field, double-check your spelling, and then click Submit. After you submit, the system will generate a set of images based on your description. Give it a moment to render. As the images appear, look for how well they match your materials, lighting, and layout intentions. If something feels close but not perfect, tweak a few words in the prompt, swap materials, adjust the mood, or change the aspect ratio, and submit again. Small prompt changes can produce dramatic improvements. That's all you need to get started. Google, search Midjourney, open the official site, write a focused interior prompt, and click Submit. Keep iterating, and you'll quickly build stunning design visuals.